Hello friends, today we'll see how to do some matching if we have some duplicates or if we have some data which we want to check. Uh, so, for example, we have sales data here, and this is quarterly sales for from April to 30th June, and we want to see if uh, there is any void or deleted sales we have included in our VAT return. So what we're going to do here is we are checking that these void or deleted sales invoices should not be included in our submitted VAT returns, and if so, then we can um, remove them from our from our records by putting the reversals in our next VAT returns. So, for example, we here this is a summary of sales invoices which are voided or deleted. Sometimes it happens that we do the submissions for VAT return, and after that we void or delete those invoices, but these are coming in our previous submitted VAT returns, so we have to make the adjustments in the coming VAT returns. So for example, here um, this file is showing us um, the record, the sales from 1st April to 30th June, but what we can do here, we will take the invoices numbers from the start up to June 2000, 30th June 2025. So if you see here, it's 9th June, and we are copying it and putting it here. So now we'll see if these voided transactions exist in column C. So we're going to use if statement here, and is number, where we're going to match this invoice number if it exists in our range, and do the perfect matching. And if this statement is true, then return found, else return not found. Okay, this is that's an error. So if you see here, it's not in the list. So you're going to copy paste. Here now we are going to check if there is any unmatch. Here you can see it's found. So now we can find this transaction, control F, V, and find. So this is the transaction which is voided, and if you see here, it's showing it's reversed. So here we can do further investigation how it works, and but the problem with this formula is it is showing a perfect match. And if you see here in our reference column, for example, if you see here, we have invoice number and then we have some text. So if we have a text after that invoice number, this is not going to match it, and it will show it not found. So for example, if I put it here, then it will show found, but if I write something, then it will show not found. So that's a problem with match. And for to allow some partial matching as well, we can use some product, and in some product we will use unary operators. Some only works with true and false. So what unary operators will do, it will convert the true into 1 and false into 0. So here we'll use is number, then instead of match we'll use search, and search what, this number into our range, and brackets close, then greater than 0. So greater than 0 here is we should have at least some matching, and after that, if we'll get something, then return found, else not found. Bracket close. We are going to copy paste the formula below. Let's see if there is any change, if anything we got further. So if you can see here, we find some more invoices here. So what we will do here, we will do further investigation. So for example, we find this. Again, this is a reversed transaction, and this need to be further investigated. So you can see how easily we can find the duplicates or deleted transactions in our workings. Hopefully you'll find it well, and if you find it useful, then please share it with others. Thanks for watching.